Let's explore how to save and reuse your designs with masters on Editor X to streamline your creation flow. Headers, middle sections, and footers can be saved, reused, duplicated, and redesigned using the Masters panel. For example, here on the home page, we have a contact section with a custom form. We want to reuse this section on another page. Right-click the section and select Set as Master. From the top bar, open the Masters panel. You'll see that by default, the header and footer of your site are saved here. And new masters, like this contact section, are listed below. Let's also show this contact section on the About page. Click the three dots and then Show On. Check the box to add it to the About page. Let's see how it looks. To navigate, use the Pages panel here. Here's the contact section on the About page. Now you can move it up or down to place it exactly where you want. Whenever you make a change to a master, it applies wherever it's in use across your site. If you, say, make this text bold here on the About page, it will also change to bold on the Home page. To make a master that looks different on different pages, you'll need to duplicate it and redesign it. For example, we have a few pages on this site that show off the projects we've done for clients. We're adding a few more with different content and design, but we always want a section at the top that displays the client info. So let's save the top section as a master to reuse on other client pages. From the Masters panel, we can duplicate it, then click Show On to display it on the new page. Now let's update it with our client info. As you can see, the new changes we made to the duplicate master did not apply to the original. Bear in mind that masters have their own breakpoints. Your page breakpoints are marked in blue. But when you're on a master, the breakpoint icons turn green. This is to remind you that changes you make to your page breakpoints will not affect your masters, and vice versa. Editor X is an advanced creation platform. To master it, continue watching this series of video tutorials.